Good morning, this is Rahul Sharma, Vedic practitioner from Chicago. Today I will be releasing my video number 66, Bhajan Se Bhakti, part 3. And today we'll be taking the Pragya Geet, Aisi Kripa Karo Jag Janani. This is again taken from my Gurudev Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya, Mata Bhagavati Devi Sharma. They have a musical department in Shanti Kunj Haridwar. They have Pragya Geet. From there it shall be taken. Concept of bhajan, as I mentioned in the previous video also, but as I repeat, in earlier years, not many people were educated who can read and learn Vedas, Puran, and Upanishad, Mahabharata, or Gita. Even in today's era, not many people are interested to read or listen the discourses on a spiritual topic or complex Sanskrit shloka. For those kind of people, we have the Bhakti Gyan and Bhajan, which is nothing but a melodious song, which is written with the carefully meaningful lyrics in praise of the God and how to obtain happiness are functioning very successfully to touch the human emotions and awake the divinity in them. The melodious music and voice of the singer, which can resonate in listener's heart, that will awaken the divinity. That's the benefit of the bhajans. The concept of Pragya Geet, which Gurudev Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya Lai is broad. Pragya means the wisdom, the Hansa Buddhi, or we call it foresightness. That's Pragya. And Geet means like song, which gives you that kind of far-sighted wisdom to make the righteous decision. So Gurudev Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya understood one of the Saptarishis and Narad Muni. The way Narad Muni used to spread the message is by the music Veena, and he established a department of music at Shanti Kunj Ashram in Haridwar. And their series of bhajans and geet are written and composed by the dedicated volunteers, which has meaningful messages blessed by Gurudev's Tap Shakti or Tap power. So today I will be covering one of the very important bhajan which I personally like very much, and we will talk about that. Let's sing this Pragya Geet today, and then I will explain you everything. ऐसी कृपा करो जग जननी, जीवन गाय श्रीमय सदचिंतन सद्भाव जगे, सत्कर्मों की जग में जय हो। ऐसी कृपा करो जग जननी, जीवन गाय श्रीमय हो। कण कण में अणु अणु में माता, रूप तुम्हारा पाए हम। अपना ही परिवार मिले माँ, जहाँ कहीं भी जाए हम। धूप खिले नैनों में उजली, मन में नव सूर्योदय हो। जग में जय हो। ऐसी कृपा करो जग जननी, जीवन गायत्रीमय हो। ऐसी कृपा करो जग जननी, जीवन गायत्रीमय हो। जीवन लक्ष्य सुझाया तुमने, कभी न उसको भूले हम। जीवन लक्ष्य सुझाया तुमने, कभी न उसको भूले हम। धन साधन सम्मान मिले तो जरा न मद में फूले हम। धन साधन सम्मान मिले तो जरा न फूले हम। कहीं न हो पग गगमग गगमग, पल भर भी न कभी भय हो। कहीं न हो पग गगमग गगमग, पल भर भी न कभी भय हो। सदचिंतन सद्भाव जगे, सत्कर्मों की जग में जय हो। सदचिंतन सद्भाव जगे, सत्कर्मों की जग में जय हो। ऐसी कृपा करो जग जननी, जीवन गायत्रीमय हो। ऐसी कृपा करो जग जननी, जीवन गायत्रीमय हो। ऐसा अंतःकरण हो माता, जैसा मान सरोवर हो। ऐसा अंतःकरण हो माता, जैसा मान सरोवर हो। वाणी हो वेदों सी पावन, कर्म सुमन से सुंदर हो। वाणी हो वेदों सी पावन, कर्म सुमन से सुंदर हो। कृपा तुम्हारी पाकर माता, मन पावन देवालय हो। कृपा तुम्हारी पाकर माता, मन पावन देवालय हो। सदचिंतन सद्भाव जगे, सत्कर्मों की जग में जय हो। सद्भाव जगे, सत्कर्मों की जग में जय हो। ऐसी कृपा करो जग जननी, Now, after listening to the bhajan, let's understand the meaning for every single stranger. So first was Aisi Kripa Karo Jag Janani. What does it really mean for you to understand next time when you're going to sing or listen to this bhajan? That oh universal mother, which is goddess Gayatri, Dev Mata, Ved Mata, Vishnu Mata, please bless our lives to be like yours, like Gayatri. That means awakening the positive and righteous thoughts and emotions within us. May the world praise righteous action. That's the meaning of the first stanza. The second stanza talk about Kan Kan Me Anu Anu Me Mata. That we can visualize you, the God Gayatri, in every particle and atom of this universe. Maybe it's a grass blade, maybe it is a plant, maybe it is an insect. And we find the love of our family, Gayatri Parivar, wherever we go. May my eyes see the bright and the brightest of the sun, and may my mind, intellect be enlightened with hope, motivation, and the inspiration. The next stranger talk about जीवन लक्ष्य सुझाया तुमने कभी ना उसको भूले हम. In English, this stranger meant I must always remember the recommended goal of human life as per your guidance. I should remain humble regardless of how much wealth I attain. I must stay on the righteous path and avoid succumbing to fear. The next paragraph talk about कितने ही दानी बन जाएं अथवा हों बलिदानी हम, किंतु किसी पल भी तो मन में हो न सके अभिमानी हम, हर चिंतन हर कर्म हमारा माता तुम में ही लय हो. ये हिंदी में. Let's talk in English. Even if I become the biggest donor or make sacrifices, I should never have vanity show. All my thoughts and actions must always be dedicated to you. And then the final stanza, ऐसा अंतकरण हो माता जैसा मान सरोवर हो. O mother, purify my heart like Man Sarovar, which is a lake on top of the Himalayas on Kailash Parvat or Kailash Hill. Let my voice be as pure as the Vedas, the source of the knowledge, and may my action be as beautiful as flowers. With your grace, may my intellect be as pure as a temple. This is what it as usual, we're going to talk about the action item after listening to this bhajan, understanding the meaning of it. Identify your inclination of reading either spiritual literature or listening available discourses or listening and singing meaningful bhajans or pragya geet to awaken divinity within yourself and then pursue on that path, or you can use a combination of those and join a community which has similar interest group and participate either as a singer or listener or maybe as a player of some musical instrument. Pay attention to the positive words and messages in each of these Pragya Geet and take action on them. Last part is repeat this process until you obtain divinity within you and others. Thank you. And the departing message, so you don't forget, be a Vedic practitioner or be a Hindu, be a Sanatani, whatever you want to call it. Learn and adopt the practice, the secrets of success within the 3400 plus books written by Gurudev, making life simpler for us rather than reading the complex Vedas. Stay successful and happy and help others making this world in heaven. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch my next video. And remember the explanation of Navgraha Puja. You got to do your duty. Your duty is more people should know about Vedic culture. More people should know about our Hinduism or Sanatan Dharma, and they need to start following the practice. So you promote this video, invite people to your home, perform a Gayatri Yagna, and spread the word about Gayatri and Yagna to every single